Hey folks, it's John again. Sorry about the sounds. You really can't hear nothing in the background. I don't know what happened to the audio. It's just not really there. But if you'll see me over there casting that bobber out, you'll notice this blue pole over here. It'll keep getting bites and bites, and I'm not even paying attention. I'm completely oblivious to it. Eventually, I get to it, and you'll see what happens. We're trying out different bait here. The bobber itself has a garlic worm on it. We've also got regular worms. Oh, there you see, it just took a hit. We're also using cut up um, bluegill that we caught right there, as well as my buddy. He's using stink bait, which is what he's using on that blue pole right there. I don't like that stuff. Will not touch it. You guys can use it if you want. I just don't. But hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, I just found a tick on me, so make sure you check yourself when we're done. Well, I guess I finally noticed it, so I'm over there trying to reel it in and everything. Once I finally start reeling it in, I realize, okay, this fish is a runner, so I loosen up the drag. I look at the line he's got on there. It's basic line on the reel that he bought it with, which is about a 5 pound line on there, and that fish is pulling pretty hard, so he may snap it because even a 2 pound fish can put down about 20 pounds of force, as we all have known for any kind of fish out there. So I'm slowly reeling her in. I call my buddy over there because he's just somewhere. I don't even know where he's at. So I call him over to get the net. Helps me get it out. It's a decent catfish. I let him keep it because I'm just tired of cleaning them. Trying to teach him how, and it's going pretty good.
Stink bait for the win. Everyone is fucking snakehead. No. Decent sized cat. For baby. Yeah. I told you that stink bait works. I just ran all the way down here.
I know.
Make sure to show the camera. Off the stink bait.
Well, if you liked this video, please feel free to check out some of my other ones. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with somebody else if you don't mind. I've also got a playlist with some other fishing videos. I've also got foraging videos. I've got a little bit of everything. Thank you for watching.